The long-awaited martial arts competition finally descended into chaos, and our protagonist Leo was here once again redefining the rules of power. What looks like an ordinary swordsman wearing simple wrist guards hides a terrifying secret. Those two accessories are 10,000-pound restraints designed purely to seal his overwhelming strength. The moment he casually discards one, it slams into the earth and blasts a massive crater. When he tosses the second, the ground ruptures again. This is not training equipment. This is how he keeps himself from destroying everything around him. His first opponent is Goth, a so-called undefeated legend. But everyone knows the truth. Goth only challenges fighters he is certain he can crush. If he faces someone truly strong, he surrenders without a fight. This time, he completely misjudges his enemy. As soon as the match begins, Goth charges at full power, swinging his sword with killing intent. But Leo simply tilts his neck slightly and dodges with effortless precision. Goth's own momentum leaves him completely defenseless. He waits for Leo to finish him in an instant, but Leo only draws his sword and does not attack. Enraged and humiliated, Goth thinks he's being looked down on. He unleashes his ultimate golden magic, summoning a gigantic golden dragon that shakes the entire arena. The crowd gasps in awe. Even the elite swordswoman Lily, watching from the stands, stares in disbelief. But Leo stands completely still. Goth smirks, believing his enemy is frozen in fear. Then Leo sneezes. In one casual, almost lazy sword swing, Goth is sent flying and crashes onto the ground, defeated instantly. No one can believe what just happened. Only Lily sees the full truth. This man won a life-or-death battle with a single sneeze. After the match, Lily confronts Leo, claiming she has deciphered his secret technique. Leo says nothing. He just smiles faintly, walks past her, and then removes both of his 10,000-pound wrist guards. The ground erupts in two deep craters. Lily is terrified. From that moment, she never underestimates him again. Their battle comes quickly. As one of the top adventure swordsmen and a tournament favorite, Lily holds nothing back. She teleports directly in front of Leo and launches a vicious, high-speed combo invisible to the naked eye. To her shock, Leo blocks it easily. Then he pretends to twist his ankle, sidesteps, and dodges her entire assault without effort. Now it's his turn to counter. He teleports behind Lily and strikes her away with one blow. Before she can recover, he sends her soaring into the air again. Lily realizes the terrifying gap in power. If Leo had infused magic into his attacks, she would already be dead. His speed and strength are multiple times greater than hers. Desperate, she activates her ultimate technique as a last-ditch counter. But Leo has already calculated her every move. The second he swings his sword, Lily collapses. No spectator can keep up with his speed. Watching from the stands is Chief Knight Alice, who witnesses every unbelievable second. She labels Leo an unknown magical swordsman with unrivaled, unprecedented combat style, and she vows to defeat him in the final round. In the aftermath, a defeated Lily approaches Leo with respect. She admits her loss fairly and reaches out to become his ally. Leo acknowledges her strength as well, revealing that against her, he had already removed his weighty restraints. These 3 episodes deliver the peak of the eminence in shadow, fake weakness, hidden god-tier power, casual one-hit victories, and the unshakable aura of Shadowgarden. This is how you dominate a tournament without even trying.